Check out what you can do with a simple roll of toilet paper and a napkin. Unwind some of your toilet paper chickadees and try to roll it around those harder edges of the roll just so it's not so square, I guess, on top. Put it directly in front of your cloth napkin and just start tucking the sides of your napkin down into the center hole of your toilet paper roll. Once you get that all down in there, take some coordinating ribbon. I chose a Harlequin print ribbon here. You can use multiple ribbons. I just opted for a softer look and went with one ribbon, folded it up, added some hot glue, and stuffed it down into that center hole. Next, you're going to use some wine corks. I used 2 of them, or you can pick up some branches from your yard to use down as a little stem. I just hot glued the bottom of it and stuffed it down in there. I then took some fall leaves from the Dollar Tree, pulled them apart, and added them down in there for just some color and dimension as well. And y'all know me, nothing is complete without some totally dazzled bling. So I grabbed a couple of my favorite pieces. I opted for the smaller brooch and just added that on right in the center on the ribbon in between the flowers, just for a little bling for this sparkle chick. This is a fantastic way to use as a centerpiece. Make a bunch of them. You can use different sizes by unwinding your toilet paper, and you have an adorable little fall decor.